शुक्लांबरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये. Today, I want to give you directly. We are jumping into the practical aspects. People are going to be bored with the lots of the theory. In the last session, I have just discussed what are the points which we are going to speak in astrology in general. A glimpses were given. Today, I just want to introduce you how to make a chart so that a practical application of this entire is going to be observed here. First and foremost, whenever we are looking for a casting of a horoscope, Patrika, when we are going to make it out, we have to have a minimum information of the birth time, birth date, and the place of the birth, of course, the identity of the individual, who is he. Whenever we are speaking as an example for the people, we don't speak the name. There is a secrecy is being maintained. As I very well established in the very first instance, the astrology is a science of light. The science of the light is going to make the individual the way to search for their, and in which of the conflicts or the problems or the issues in which they are existing or they are being traveling along with, as in the timeline, they are going to opt for a good thing. Whenever there is any inauspicious things are going to happen, such as accidents or losses, such things could be counterfeit and counteracted with the a proper Daiva Vyapasare Chikitsa, either the mantra, mani, aushadha, and ratadharana, homa, etc. Very specifically, in gemology, the ratadharana is going to be one of the commonest practice which you might be seen. You might be heard, you are running with the Shani Dasha, better wear the Shani sapphire. You are running with the Jupiter Dasha, you wear the yellow sapphire, otherwise the Pushyaraga. So each and every graha is going to be given particular refraction, and a refraction of an individual planet is going to be counteracted with the Ratnadharana. This refractionary counteraction of the color therapy, gem therapy, or the Homa therapy. In the Homa, very specifically, we are using different herbs for the Havana. If there is a proper health is required, simple way what we can make yogis, we can just have in the cow dung cake when the fire is being lit as Agnihotra, the Agnihotra is going to be given the Tandula along with the ghee as the Havis. When the Tandula with the ghee is being given as a Havis, the fumes which are going to come out of this homa, they are going to be uncombusted hydrocarbons which are going to heal the people. Whenever there are any specific disease is there, according to the influencing planet, thereby we are going to give that particular herb as a Havana. The same uncombusted hydrocarbons of that herb are going to treat the disease also. This is the concept of the Homa therapy and gemology Ratna therapy. Both the things are going to be very specifically targeted to the top the physics principles, and also the principles what commonly we are going to observe here is said to be the principles of the physics and chemistry along with the different geographical influences and conditions. Now, as we were speaking about the different planetary influences, a collective influence of the electromagnetism, a gravitational pull of the mass, and also the different physicist principles that are acting on a planet, all are going to be cumulatively making out its effect and its radiation over the individual human being, and thereby it is going to create the influence of either the bad or the good according to its conjunction of the all the cumulative powers. Now, today we are going to start with how to cast a horoscope. Further, the basic information what we require is date of birth, time of birth, and place of birth, and identity and gender. Now, I am going to show you on screen how directly we are going to make. Different softwares are being used nowadays in the mobile and also in the laptops. In the laptops, commonly people are using either the Parashara Lite or the Jagannatha Hora. These two are very comfortable. The Astro Kundali is also there. If you search, there are n number of the softwares which are there. Whatever the computer which you are using, accordingly you can make it out. Second, in the mobile, you have the different softwares also once again. Say for example, most commonly being used is the AstroSage in the mobile, and the second is the Haro Expert. Both are said to be the good enough. Now, whenever you are using the astrology, there are different terms and different uses of the words are going to come. Commonly, what we are doing is totally Parashara methodology of the astrology. There is a Jaimini principles and Jaimini astrology also. Along with that, there is a latest one is the KP astrology, Krishnamurti Paddhati. This is having large and sublarge and sub-sublarge theory. Apart from that, we have the Western astrology also. In India, we are following the Parashara Light or the Jagannatha Hora, which is speaking of the Parashara system or the Vimshottari system. What is this Vimshottari system? 120 years is said as the lifespan of an individual. The Vimsa Uttara, that is after the 120, that is 120 years, with the Navagrahas, different Dasha periods are going to be with cumulatively 120 years. When these 120 years are there, this system is called as the Parashara system. The Parashara system is going to be commonly used. Now, whenever we are looking for a particular horoscope to cast, I am going first practical, then the theory, as it is going to come together. Now, let me start the screen sharing with the Parashara Light. Here, I think you are able to see this Parashara Light. This is the opening page of the Parashara. Based upon the date, it is going to be shown as what it is. Okay.
The screen is yet to come up, sir.
Yeah, screen is?
Now it has come up. It is visible now.
Yeah, okay. It takes a couple of minutes because it is streaming, no? Now, this is the opening screen where you see today is the Thursday, thereby the Brihaspati is being shown on the screen. Now, you just start opening on the file. You got the menu, a new horoscope, open the old horoscope, file manager, save as, save to, etc. You are getting lots of the things. Here, I just say new horoscope. When the new horoscope is being placed, it is going to show a pop-up window. In this, the birth data. The birth data, you are going to give name X, Y, Z, for example. Whether it's a male gender or the female, you can just click on it, male. Today, I just give 15th August 1947 as the date, and the time is 01 minute. Okay. Now it is India general, and in this you can just say New Delhi. Now, this is the total birth information. It is going to ask what Delhi it is. Now, I have clicked the New Delhi. Now, you got the total information here. The name is there, gender is there, and date is there. It is a Friday, 15th August 1947 is the Friday, and time is 0001 second. That is after the midnight 1 minute it is, and it is country is India, state is Delhi, and New Delhi is the city. And whereas you can just see here at the bottom longitude and the latitude and the time zone. The 5:30 is the time zone for the India. You, according to the place and the country, you will be getting accordingly. Here you are getting the South Indian model of the chart, which is my preference, which I have kept it here. Now let me say, instead of the India, I want to go for the USA. Okay. If at all, say United States of America, US, Ukraine, Uruguay, Indonesia, USA. Okay, I have to use other software for that, I believe so. USA is here. Now in the USA you have the different states, say California, okay, and in the California I am just using California only, okay. Now it is going to go give the different California city. Now you can just see 117 west of the 59 minutes, and northern degrees also changed, and the time zone also has been changed. Now accordingly you can make it out according to the country, Afghanistan, Albania, etc., etc. Now let's go back. It's only India. I just want to go with Ireland and India. In India, you can just go for the India, or otherwise I just say Andhra Pradesh. In the Andhra Pradesh, I want to go with the Hyderabad. Now this Hyderabad, Deccan is being given with the latitudes and longitudes of the 5:30, and here is the chart. Now, if at all we are making any sort of the birth time or the rectification and events has to be added, when the event is to be added, like marriage event, otherwise this is going to be useful for that of the only a rectification of the birth data when the person is not having a confirmed birth date and time. Now just say okay. Once you say okay, you are going to get the chart details. The entire details are going to be flexible in the laptop. They are going to be, however you are going to pattern,ize they are going to be appear in the same way, and we can just make it out as, can you see the screen with whether the chart appeared?
It is opening, sir. Slowly.
Loading, sir.
Slowly. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you got it. Right. Now you just see I have given, this is my desktop, however I set it. Here I got the Lagna in the first one, first box. The second is D9 Navamsha is for the spouse, and here it is D10 Shadbala. I can just change it. Instead of the D10 Shadbala, I can go with the only the birth chart. Okay. When I say this is going to be there with, and it is coming for the Dashamsa, just cancel. Okay. Now I got here only Dashamsa here instead of the Shadbala. Okay, it is for the success and the job purpose which we are going to do. That means we can just alter however we like it. Now you can just see options. In the options, there is a first chart style. In the chart style, there are different styles of the charts which are going to be there. North Indian chart, South Indian chart, circular chart, Bengali chart, Oriya chart. Actually, we are using much with the North Indian chart, and the other way South Indian chart for the South people. Here on the other way, planets which are going to be displayed, some people read the Uranus, Neptune, Pluto also, and Upagrahas, Gulika, Pranapada, Dhuma, Vyatipata. These are the Upagrahas which we are going to discuss in future. And Uranus, Neptune, Pluto, Indra, Yama, Varuna, it is being called as. And when we set this chart style as a North Indian, just to say, okay, now the chart is going to be get changed with the diamond format. Here, what is the difference between the North Indian chart and the South Indian chart? The North Indian chart is the diamond chart, where you see here the 2 number, 3 number, 4 number, 5 number, 6 number, numbers you are seeing 1 to 12 here. Okay. These numbers are representative of the 1 means Mesha Rasi, 2 means Rishabha Rasi, 3 means the Midhuna Rasi, 4 means Karkata Rasi, 5 means Simha Rasi, 6 means Kanya Rasi, 7 means Tula Rasi, 8 means Vrishchika Rasi, 9 means Dhanu Rasi, 10 means Makar Rasi, 11 means Kumbha Rasi, 12 means the Meena Rasi. Now, when you see in the chart of the South Indian chart, here the South Indian chart is not being given with any sort of the such numbers here. Then how come you are going to understand here? Here this chart is going to be get fixed. This top one here, when you see the cursor, are you able to see the cursor?
Yes,
the
sir.
cursor place is said to be the Mesha Rasi. This is always fixed. Mesha, it starts from here of the 0 degrees. Mesha, Vrushabha, Midhuna, Karkata, Simha, Kanya, Tula, Vrishchika, Dhanu, Makara, Kumbha and Meena. All 12 Rasis are going to be fixed always, all the time. There is no change at all. Whereas in the North Indian chart, it is going to be get shifted and changed. When it is going to be get changed, say always here the Lagna, AS means the Lagna. Ascendant means Lagna. The Lagna will be always written at the top in the diamond chart. And from there, 1, 2, 3, 4 are being calculated, total 12. That means the center 4 squares are being called as the Kendra. Kendra. And Kendra, Kona, Phanipara, Apokliba, these are the terminologies which you are going to get. The square, the four centers, that is 1, 4, 7 and 10 from the Lagna are called as the Kendra. 1, 5 and 9 are called as the Kona. Kendra and Kona are to be considered as the to declare the auspiciousness and inauspiciousness. Now you just see in the South Indian chart, the Lagna is the Rishabha Lagna here. Now, whenever this AS ascendant Lagna is being written in the second chart, now this information is being written in the bottom as the birth chart details. AS means ascendant, otherwise the Lagna. The Lagna is in the Kritika Nakshatra of the Tritiya Pada, and where it is the rulers are going to be given. Surya is an Aslesha, 4th Pada, Chandra, Pushya Nakshatra, 1st Pada, and Mangala are the Kuja in Ardra Nakshatra, Pradhama Pada, Mercury or otherwise Buddha is in Pushya Nakshatra, 4th Pada, Guru, Jupiter is in the Vishakha Nakshatra, Ditya Pada, Sukra here in the Aslesha Nakshatra. C means combusted. Combusted means Astangatvam in Sanskrit. The C is written for the combusted. It is in the Aslesha, Ditya Pada, 2nd Pada, Shani, this is the Venus and this is Asya for the Shani, combusted in the Aslesha Nakshatra, 2nd Pada. The Rahu is in Kritika Nakshatra, 3rd Pada, Ketu is in the opposite side, Anuradha, Pradhama Pada. That this is the information of the positioning of these planets. The nakshatras are being 27 nakshatras, which are getting started from the Mesha Rasi. Aswini, Bharani, Kritika, Rohini, Mrugasira, Ardra, Purarvasu, Pushyami, Aslesha, Makha, Pubba, Uttara, Hasta, Chitta, Swati, Vishakha, Anuradha, Jeshta, Mula, Purvashada, Uttarashada, Shravanam, Dhanishta, Satabhisham, Purvabhadra, Uttarabhadra, Revati. These are the 27 stars. Here it is a KP, Krishnamurti Paddhati significators has been given from the first to 12th house. The first house means it is the Rishabha Rasi here. This is the way which we are going to see here. Now, let us explore the options. What else we have? Here we have the display options, font options, color coding options, printing options, and dasha options, etc. Out of this calculation options, commonly we are going with the Lahari system, and Lahari system is the methodology which we are going. And the Sayana method is the Sayana and Nirayana. There are two methods. Sa Ayana means including the Ayanamsha, and Nirayana means deducting the Ayanamsha. Now the Yukteshwar Ayanamsa is there, Raman Ayanamsa is, Vasin Ayanamsa, Pagan Ayanamsa, Krishnamurti Ayanamsa. There are different Ayanamsas, but the standard is the Lahari Ayanamsa which we are going to follow. When you are seeing the different dashas here, 360 days dasha is being calculated, 365.25 days. What we are running at present is also being calculated. The balance is created or calculated by the degree level or by time method. These are all said to be the different mathematical calculation which are incorporated in a particular software. Here the Kala Chakra Dasha system is the Gemini system. In the 9 Antardasha method or 12 Antardasha method are going to be used. Now, this is the way how we are going to see different things. Here the Charadasha is calculated on the Ken Rao method or the Parashara method. Varshapala is going to be calculated on Mudda Dasha or other way. That's what the different calculated system. As we are learning one after the another, we will be understanding how to use these things and where to use these things. All are not necessarily to use the anywhere, everywhere. And here the editing options are also there. If there is any rectification is there. Say for example, here as I am seeing the Vimshottari Dasha, here the Moon, Shani, Mars. Please mute yourself, somebody. Here the Vimshottari Dasha is there. When this Vimshottari Dasha is there with, we have to make it out how it is going to be made of. When we are looking this Vimshottari Dasha, this Vimshottari Dasha Chandra, Shani, Mangala. 3-tier program is being given here as a Dasha. We can expand and reduce also. The first one which is going to be there is said as the Mahadasha. The second one level is said as the Antardasha. The third level is said to be the Vidisha. Fourth level is said to be the Sushma Dasha, and fifth level is said as the Prana Dasha. We can calculate, we commonly calculate a large span up to the third level. Fourth and fifth levels not necessary. As for this, here D9 we are getting, the D9 is Navamsha. Divisional charts it is being called. In the divisional charts, you are having lots of the menus here. In the divisional charts, we will be making it out how it has to be calculated as such. So, whenever we are looking at divisional charts, birth charts are going to be made out. See special charts, sign, bhava, chandra, etc. Here the vargas. The divisional charts are said as the vargas. There are 20 varieties of the vargas which we are going to see. Janma is the lagna, and hora means divided by 2. Trikana means divided by 3. Chaturamsa is the 4th part. Saptamsa is 7th part. Navamsa is 1/9. Dashamsa is 1/10. Dwadashamsa is 1/12. So on as such. So here when we are looking this, we can generate a different charts and also reports also here. We can just say, we can ask for the lordships only. It is going to give the exactly only the lordships, and it is going to give the other way. When we are asking for the reports of the horoscope, we can just see as on screen and also can be printed. If suppose I just want to have this particular person, the birth chart and Navamsa together. Now it comes as a pop-up window and it is going to give rise a specifically the Rasi, Navamsa and the birth chart details. So as such, now this is the Rasi and here is the Chandra Lagna and here is the Navamsha Lagna and this is what you have seen the planetary positions. Retrogradation or the combustion is shown in the second column. Sign is being shown, Taurus, Cancer and etc. Degrees are being mentioned. First is the degree, second is the minutes and third is the seconds. And with what speed it is revolving also being stated. What is the nakshatra? Nakshatra pada, Rasi Lord, Navamsha Lord, Sub Lord, Sub Lord. This is the Krishnamurti Paddhati also incorporated. The status of the planet is being written here and Shadbala. SB means Shadbala. Shadbala which is strong enough. Out of here when you see 1.64 is the highest for the Mars. That means in the horoscope Mars is the strongest planet. Who is the weakest planet? Is the 0.71 of the Jupiter is the weakest. Thereby we can estimate how this is going to be made out and how we can have the estimation of the strength of the individual planet. And it shows the different calculation systems also in the way however we like. This is going to be shown as such. When we are asking for the same reports out of the horoscope, we can just say the divisional charts. When I ask for the divisional charts, Lagna chart, Hora chart, Drikana chart, all these charts are going to be printed here, and this is for the sake of the easy understanding and calculation system. We can have in the same way the Dasha systems and all the reports which are going to be made out here. As we are spoken, the Krishnamurti Paddhati significators. Here, commonly what is going to be happen is, at present, the particular Dasha of the 2020 is the Chandra Dasha is going on. Here you just see what is the representation of the Chandra in the horoscope. He is representing for the third house, fourth house, 10th house and 11th house. As he is representing third house, fourth house, 10th house and 11th house. Third house is said as the siblings. Fourth house is said as the primary education or the food and also the comfort. 10th house is profession and job. 11th house is profit. Thereby, this at present the Chandra is ruling third, 3, 4, 10, 11 houses. In the Shani Antardasha, what Shani is ruling? Shani is ruling once again 3, 2, 6, 10 and 11. Shani is giving 3 siblings, that is a support, and also the 2 is the money and family, 6 is the Ari and profession, or it is going to be representative with that of the job and profession and security of the job, and 10th is the profession of the job and 11th is the benefit out of the job. That means this particular person is having a suitable period of getting a job and service continuation with the earnings, and a full support will be there from him, his side, and also family is being understood. This is the way how we are going to analyze the Vimshottari Dasha periods along with the whatever the Parashara said informations. Along with that, we are going to make the interference. In other way, whenever we are going to see the aspects also being calculated here. The Lagna is here. From the Lagna, second place is being occupied, third place is being occupied. That means we are going to calculate and understand the occupants also. When we are looking the occupants also, we can estimate the individual character of the planet and also Rashi. We are going to discuss in the next session about the Rasi and Rasi characteristics. This is the way how we are going to generate the different calculations and interpretations also being there with some of the softwares. If at all, as a learner, when we are making it out, you can just ask for the interpretations of the Panchanga, or otherwise you can ask for the interpretation of the sun. I just said now at present the moon dasha is going on. Let us see the moon interpretation. When we ask for the moon interpretation, it is going to give, according to the Parashara, whatever the moon characteristics are reflective in this particular horoscope. Here in this Parashara line, there is one more advantage. This is a very old version. Probably the new versions are going to be purchased. When they are going to be purchased, you may be having lots of the informations also. When we see this classical reference, here the Bruhat Parashara Hora Shastra is there already. And Saravali, Horasara, Garga Hora, and 1001 yogas. Say, you just open the Bruhat Parashara Hora Shastra. When we are opening, here it is going to give rise the different yogas which are. The yogas are also going to, yoga means either whenever there is two planets or n number of the planets are joining in a sequenciation, it is being called as a yoga. If suppose Chandra and Kuja are joining, it is called Chandra Mangala Yoga. If the Rahu and Guru are joining, it is a Guru Chandala Yoga. Like each and every yoga is being said here. Say, we just ask for all the yogas of this particular person, or the horoscope is being asked here. Here you just see in the 11th chapter, 17th sloka is speaking about the sum of the information. 14th chapter, 16th chapter. That means it is going to consolidate whatever the yogas are available in this particular horoscope only. So thereby we can just study also this different reports of these different books. In the Saravali, you just say, ask for the yogas related to the death. Okay. Now just we ask the Sun Moon Yoga. Okay. Sun Mercury Yoga, Sun Venus Yoga. They are giving some of the yogas which are going to be applicable here. Now these significators of the signs, ascendants, this is the exploratory system. Horoscope interpretation directly you can just say, you can just ask for the all the yogas of the horoscope. It is going to give the different yogas, and however it is going to be general characteristics and other things. It is going to print lots of the things. So according to interest, it can be made out. Now you have got this dasha options, nature of the planets and yoga options, panchanga options, and etc. Now there are print models also being described, and you can just choose different way, and birth charts can be made out. This is the way how we are going to make. The major difference between the South Indian style and the North Indian style is, in the South Indian style, these boxes which we are corresponding to individual Rasi are fixed, whereas it is going to be get changed accordingly, according to the Lagna in the North Indian diamond chart. Here I am just trying to show the North Indian diamond chart. Now see, in 15th August, on 15th August 1947, at 01 minute of the midnight, it was the Rishabha Lagna. Now let me edit the birth data. Instead of 01 minute, I said I will say 10 hours 10 minutes. Rest of the things are the same. 10 hours 10 minutes. 10 hours 10 minutes of the 15th August 1947, when a person is going to be born. Now it is being calculated and it is going to come out with the different Lagna. Now just see. What is the Lagna number is being given here? 6. Here it is a 7. Okay. 6 means, what is the 6? The Mesha, Rishabha, Midhuna, Karkata, Simha, 6 is the Kanya. the Kanya is the Lagna here. And 7th, Dvitiya Sthana, Tritiya Sthana, Chaturdha, Panchama, Shashta, Saptama, like that totally 12 places are being calculated here. Now this is the way. Here you see, here the Lagna is also being given with the 6th number, and whereas in the Navamsha also being given as this Lagna in the 6th number. Can you see? This is being called as the Vargottama Amsha, Vargottama Lagna. That means in the Navamsha and also in the Rasi chart, when the both are going to be the same, then it is going to be Vargottama. The Vargottama is the one word where it is going to show auspiciousness. Here, whatever we see here, the Mercury is combusted, Venus is combusted, Saturn is combusted. 3 planets are combusted. Okay. Now let us see, instead of the 15th August of the 1947, we will be going for the 15th August 1957 of the same. After 10 years, what happened? When we see after 10 years, we have the Lagna is 6, same Lagna is there because it is a 10-10 time, but the planetary positions has been changed. Now, if at all we are going to see, the 10-10 hours of the 15th August is the Kanya Lagna. Now, the planetary positions has changed. It is here, it is only Mangala is combusted. Now, let me change, instead of August, I go for 1st January 2020. Okay, 1st January 2020. When we see, the calculation is going to show the, here it is 11. What this 11 means? Can anybody speak?
Kumbha Lagna.
Kumbha.
Kumbha, right, very good. It is a Kumbha Lagna. Here you just see, in the Kumbha, the Lagna and Chandra, that is Chandra Lagna also Kumbha and Janma Lagna is also Kumbha. Both are said to be the Kumbha on 1st January 2020. Here you see Mercury and Jupiter and also Saturn are being combusted. Okay. Let me go through for the forward dating. Now, instead of the 1st January, I want to go for 21st September 2021. Forward dating I am going. When I am going for the forward dating, you will be getting a different planetary positions being calculated. Now here, the 8 is said to be the Lagna. What is this 8 means?
Scorpio, Vrishchika.
Scorpio, Vrishchika, Lagna, very good. And where is the Chandra here now?
Chandra is in the 5th house in Pisces, mean.
Mean Rasi, very good. And thereby you can very comfortably identify. The advantage with the North Indian is the central 4 squares are Kendras and the 5th house and 9th house and 1st house 1, 5, 9 are said to be the Konas. Kendra Kona are going to be very easily identified in the North Indian chart or diamond chart, and whereas in the South Indian chart you require to have an customization for making such calculation. When you see in the second column, the Mangala or Kuja is combusted, Uttara Phalguni Nakshatra, 4th Pada, and whereas Guru is retrograded, R means retrograde, Vakri, and Shani also retrograded, Vakri. That means 2 planets are Vakri, 1 planet is combusted or Astangata. That means we can make out with this terminology how to cast an horoscope. Okay, today we stop here for the Parasara Hora. If you have any question, you can ask.
So can I ask a slightly advanced question?
Yes, please.
So what kind of results do the Vakri Grahas give?
The Vakri Grahas are always going to give the bad result or inauspicious results.
Let's say if it is a Yoga Karaka, even then it will give bad result.
Yes,
Okay.
even the Yoga Karaka. If suppose we are going to come across in the next sessions, the dual ships of the, see, except the Ravi and Chandra. Ravi and Chandra are called as a Mandala Grahas. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And the rest of the 5 planets, that is Kuja, Buddha, Guru, Sukra, and Shani, called as the Tara Grahas. They are going to be look like the taras in the sky, and the Rahu and Ketu are said as the Chaya Grahas or the nodes. Thereby we can make it out whether this planetary system out of Surya and Chandra are having one house only, whereas the rest of the 5 planets are having the 2 houses as the ownership. Now these 2 house ownerships are going to be discussed in the later course. Okay. Now let me speak about I just want to introduce you the Jagannatha Hora also. It is getting loaded, but it is not coming up. Okay. And yeah, any other questions meanwhile?
Somebody has asked, sir, about Astangata Graha.
Astangata.
Yeah, there was a question in the chat box.
Okay, I did not see it because I am on the screen. Astangata means combustion. When any planet is going to come within the 8 degrees of the arc, that planet is going to be said under the influence of the sun. It is going to be said as the combusted or Astangatvam. Astangatva planet is going to become weak and it cannot give the proper results, whatever it has to be given. And it becomes inauspicious. Any other questions are there?
Sir, I did not understand Vargottam.
Vargottama. There are Shodasha Vargas. 16 Vargas are there. Out of the 16 Vargas, we have the Rashi, Navamsa, etc. It is a divisional chart. We are going to discuss detailed divisional charts. If suppose one is 30 degrees is the one Rashi. Is it? Do you know? I did not come for the degrees. Just I am trying to give you from the casting of the horoscope. As after that, retrospectively, I want to speak the rest of the informations. Today, I want to tell you because just you can open a chart and you can cast a chart, you can just read a chart and you can just see, yes, first place, second place, ascendant is this one, and this Chandra is here, and so that in which star, whatever the star, we can make out only in a general ideology of the how this software is to be used. This is the purpose of today's lesson. Now I want to show you the, are you able to see the Jagannatha Hora or Parashara Hora only?
It's Parashara Hora only, sir.
Okay, now I am shifting for the Jagannatha Hora. This is the way how it is going to come out. You can just see. Can you see this?
Yes, sir. It is visible now.
It is a chart differences are there.
Yeah.
This is a different software. I have given zip format of this. This is freely available and everybody can load it even. And here there are chakras. As this is the 6 varga, Shad varga. Now I said Shodasa varga. Shodasa means 16. Here it is a Shad varga. The Shad varga means Rasi, Navamsa, Dashamsa, Drikana, Saptamsa and Hora. These 6 are called as the Shad varga. Whereas it is a Kala Chakra Dasha. Okay. You can see Sattva, Sarvabhautaka Chakra, Kota Chakra, and different chakras are there, which we have to speak in detail in later courses. When we go with the basic, we see the detailation as a Rasi chart and Navamsa chart, D1 and D9. And here the informations are there. This comes automatically opens for the present time, and you can just see the strengths of the individual planet are Vimshopaka Bala and also Shadbalas. You can see Vimshopaka Bala, Shadbala, Ishtabala, Harshabala, Dwasabala, all the balas you can just see here, you can compare it. In the Vimshopaka Bala, the strongest and weakest of the planets you can go through here. Now comes here the Dashas. When you see in the Dashas...
Sir, can I ask a question?
Yeah,
Sorry for
please.
interrupting. Yeah, if we look at the Shadbalas in both the different softwares,
Okay.
can you just open this Parashara?
I did not give the same date and time. You just see.
No. My question is something different, sir.
Yeah,
My
please.
question is related to Shadbalas. The
Okay.
Jagannath Hora, if you can open the bar chart or the strengths again. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
It is slowly opening. Sir, if you see this Shadbala percentage strength, it is mentioned as 8700, 1744, etc. So this is going, multiples of the Shadbalas which are shown by Parashara. If you open, so what is the difference? I mean, how to read the difference in these two?
Very, 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 very good question. Very sensitive question. This is say Vimshopaka Bala.
Yeah.
Whether it is of the 6, whether it is of the 20, or whether it is of 16, whether it is of the 12, the total number of the strength of the planets calculated is for the 20 only. Vimshopaka Bala only.
Yeah.
That is strictly followed by the Parashara. Here, just see the word. When you see the Vimshopaka Bala out of the 20, it is being given for the 20 how much it is.
Right, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
Here also out of the 20 it is being calculated.
Yeah.
Panchavargiya Bala.
Yeah.
Okay. Ashtavargiya Bala. All these are being calculated accordingly. But here he has shown as a Shadbala in the percentage of the strength.
Yeah.
It is going even 120%, 144%. In this way, I don't follow this one actually. Vimshopaka Bala is only the standard one which we have to follow.
Okay.
It is being given by the Parashara.
Right, sir.
Or the only Vimshopaka Bala of this Jagannatha Hora is accepted, not the rest of the things.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Here the Dashas, in the Dashas, where you see, this is the Vimshottari Dasha here, and here in the bottom, it is being given the Rasi Dashas. This is the Jaimini once again, and other Dashas like Yogini Dasha and other Dashas also being given, and which we do not follow commonly. We follow only Nakshatra Dasha, especially Vimshottari Dasha only. Okay. The Mahadasha, when you click on it, you will be getting opened Antardasha. Once again, you click on it, Vidisha, and so that ultimately up to the Pranadasha, we are going to get the 5 levels here. Some of the people even calculate 6 levels also, but commonly it will be calculated for the 5 levels. This is the transit. Transit means Gochara. There is a Tajaka system method. This is Varshaphala, and Tithi Pravesha, this is the Panchanga, the mundane astrology, and otherwise this is the Desha Gochara being said, and other rest of the things which are being shown here. This is about the Jagannatha Hora. Okay. So, whichever is comfortable for you to follow, accordingly you can make it out. And when you are going to see, the different charts, how they are being made out, you can try to apply it. Mostly you will not be getting any sort of the problem. If at all you get any problem, you can make it out even. Okay. And here I just take you back to the Parashara once again. In this there is a Gochara also, or transit also can be made out. Okay. And there are some of the research aspects or the ephemeris can be made out here, and time of the transits and time calculation it can be made out, and there is a wheel also. You can just see n number of the options in each and every software. So I think I can stop here, and we can have quickly questions if at all you have anything. Next time we will be discussing with the Rashi. Sanjay ji, how you feel? Any question you have?
Sir, namaskar. No, sir, I asked already in between.
Okay. And now I just let me see in the chart what is being written.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Combusted is only one question. Okay. Simultaneously to see it is a bit okay.